All right, so I'm going to show you how to use the TI84 Plus to solve some formulas and stability. So here's the angle of Loll formula. In this particular expression of it, we're solving it for the angle of Loll. So the formula is tan to the minus 1. That's inverse tangent of the square root of 2gm over bm. And these are the actual numbers we're going to stick in. So 2gm is 2.2, okay? So now I'm going to do it over here. So I'm going to clear my history here first, all right? So here's how I'm going to start this. I want to go inverse tangent. So this is tangent button. That's inverse. It's one of the blue ones. So I'm going to hit second. Okay, now that's inverse tangent. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the I84 I want to do a radical now. I want to do square root. So here's the square root. It's blue, so I got to do second. Okay, now I got my square root in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and just do my math. 2 times 0.2 divided by 15.8. Now, I could close it with the parentheses, but I don't need to. I can just hit enter. And there it is, 9.04, 9 degrees. Okay? So that's that one. All right, now, that was problem one. That's how you, that's those, and here's the keystrokes right here. Those are the exact keystrokes that I did right there. Okay? Now I'm going to do problem 3. So problem 3 is the same formula, except this one was solved for angle of Loll. Now we're going to solve it for GM. So the whole thing is rearranged. So here's the formula now. GM is tan of the angle squared divided by times BM divided by 2. So I'm going to do that one now. I'm going to do tan of 8 squared, okay, 16.7, okay? So anyway, let's do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit tan first. I'm going to put 8 in there, okay? I'm going to close the parentheses to tell it that's all I'm going to do it on. Now I'm going to tell it, let's do an exponent, okay? So I'm going to hit that little exponent symbol, and I'm going to hit 2. Okay, now I'm still in exponent mode. I got to get out of it, and it's telling me, hey, hit the right button. So that's going to drop me out of exponent mode. Now I'm going to say times 16.7, 16.7, and then I'm just going to divide that whole mess by 2, and boom, 0.16, okay? All right, and there it is right there, okay? So there's the keystrokes for that. All right, now let's take a look at this one over here. Anything different over here? No. These are the same formulas, Okay, so those are the keystrokes for the how to do the angle of Loll.